Starring messages on WhatsApp lets you mark important conversations for easy access later. You can easily and quickly save your cherished messages and photos in one place. Watch this tutorial until the end to find out how you can star your messages. Open WhatsApp on your device. Then find and open the chat containing the message you want to star. After that, find the specific message you wish to star and long press on it. Several icons will appear at the top of the screen. Tap the star icon. You can repeat the process if you want to star more messages. The good news is that you can select multiple messages at once and tap the star icon, saving you time. And that's not all. In addition to text messages, you can also star photos. The process is the same. Long press on the photo and tap the star icon. After that, your starred messages and photos will be marked as starred. You can find them later in the starred messages section. A very useful feature, right? If you enjoyed this tutorial, give it a like. Follow the channel for more similar videos.